G'day, here's a parcel of nice mixed bright seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, the home of black opal country. Some of this materials are not on very black dark base, others almost resembles white opal from Cooper Pedy. I'll be splitting this large deal up into smaller parcels, so give you a chance to buy a portion of it. We'll go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've just zoomed in. You can see like that little white pit there. It's showing a little bit of red in it, but we'll just go around. I haven't moved any of the pieces yet. Varies in size. There are some larger pieces amongst it. Don't forget, you'll be getting a random scoop, for want of a better word. I'll just move the rule out the way so you can. It's fairly clean, there's not a lot of clay in it. There's a couple of pieces that I noticed that did have a fair bit of clay, which I pulled out. Looking at it, there's pieces like this in here. A lot of it's a bit smaller. Somebody will be getting that. There's other pieces like this that's got bars of colour in it. Some are better than others. It's a nice little straight bar there. How far it goes, a bit hard to tell. So it's back under here, I'm getting some flashes of red, golds. Piece like that I'll pull out. I've literally just tipped this out of the bucket. Another piece that some lucky person will get. Some of the white material. Piece there. I'm just randomly picking these up. They haven't been sorted, as you can see. There's a little bit of colour in that on the top half. But rather just do it like this, pick it up randomly as it comes out of the bucket. It's got a nice little bar right through. Again, some lucky person. It's bright crystal. I think you get an idea of what you're looking at there. It is a bit of a lucky dip. But each deal's going to end up with some of this type of material in it. A bit of honey potch. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.